All right, so one of my friends just landed at the airport. She's coming out here for a job interview and to come hang out for a couple days, probably do some filming with me. And figure why not? She could stay at the house. I got an extra guest bed, and she's super cool people to see around. So I'm gonna go pick her up. Got some water, got one rolled. Wanna go, big dog? Let's get going. All right, just got to the airport. I'm looking for my homegirl. She said she was here. Here she is. It's like, you got the job, you can stop talking.
I would not feel like as long as you're willing to be living my kids in my son's.
Yeah, like, it's really hard for people to find employees, like find people to work.
You'd be surprised. Don't pay construction workers for an expansion.
Alright, I'm on the way to the airport. I've got a new friend that just landed. I haven't met her yet in person, but we've talked quite a bit online. Let's see if we can have a little fun, do some shoots together. So, let's see what's up. I'll just scoop her up. Grab the bags for
On the car, ready, set to go.
I'll load it up. Drive up to Boulder. Super nice day out.
Let's do it.
Just made it to the first flat iron. We're about to go start our little hike. Get it? Shall we? I'll put this super boy.
Talk with us.
It's way more exciting.
It looks like it's just a flat path, doesn't it?
How many drop texts before you block that motherfucker? Like, 1 word, 2 word text and shit. They, like, you say something, hey, how you doing, woody whoop whoop. They be like, cool. Nah, that's 1 strike. You know what I mean? Hey, how you doing, boo?
Maximum 2.
Maximum 2, they hit you with it twice.
I did a 3-strike.
Block.
Huh? 3 strike.
3
Yeah.
strikes.
2 for you.
2
Nah,
to
nice.
3. No blocking. Just never take money.
Oh, no. They get 1 strike with me. You give me a boring first answer after I just said, how was your week? And you say, good? Your whole week? 1 word? You're like, I don't want to talk to you. You're boring. Shit like that. Like, you're boring as You know what I'm saying?
At least text good. How was yours? Good. Follow back.
Hey, going out. Every 100 steps we take, I'm 10 push-ups.
You're gonna be smoked if you actually do that.
Huh?
You'll be doing like 500 push-ups.
You think so?
Yeah,
How many steps are we taking?
at least 5,000. All right, we finally made it into the woods. This is my favorite part once we get surrounded by the trees like this. Got all the leaves changing colors. Big boy being a good dog. We're just waiting for our friends to catch up, and then we'll keep getting moving here.
Shit. This is death.
Ich glaube, das ist ja hier kein Hochvirusgebiet, ne, gar nicht.
You happy dog?
The things we do to smoke some weed.
I used to always have to find a cave to hide in.
What? Yeah, brings you back to the old days.
High school we used to go find caves and stuff and go smoke in it.
Sure.
Found a nice little spot to chill out. I know. Not until I got my hands on you, huh?
Yeah, I saved it for you. You popped my cherry.
Couple of them, huh?
Yeah, definitely a lot of them.
We're taking a little breather, and then we'll get walking again.
You gotta start fattening up. It's almost winter. You gotta be like me. Start filling up those cheeks.
All right, we came to the first challenge in the road. It looks like everyone's tripping, walking on the side
Oh my
of it.
god, the sun feels so
Just made it to the top of the trail. Got some awesome views, as you can see. Pretty cool. Got the leaves changing colors. Got my dog ready to go. We're gonna keep it moving.
Go. That's good.
I almost got a crib.
In front of the cars? You guys!
Just honk.
60.
We got it. I know, they was like, bro, move your f***ing car. We don't care.
Everyone's on board on the magical school bus?
On board.
That felt good. Got my blood pumping a little bit. Fuck yeah.
That was awesome. Good little hike.
Yes.
Hell yeah.
Maybe we're gonna find some food now or what?
If everyone's hungry.
2 layers of clouds.
Yeah. I've never seen anything like that before. Baby boy's looking out too.
Listen, champ. We're gonna go up the hill and see Grandma, and we're gonna go on a hike. But you gotta be patient. When you whine for stuff in life, you don't just get it because you whine about it.
You asked for it.
Nobody likes a whiner anyways.
Speak up.
So do you want to be a whiner? Or do you want to be a winner? Which one is it? Champ?
Now we're heading up to Evergreen to see my mom. We're gonna go have a little pizza party. We take a little short 30-40 minute hike. And maybe take a 30-40 minute power nap after we eat that pizza. Looks like Dame's already taking his power nap. Sunday is for edibles and lots of rest. And sometimes we go on hikes. All right, we just got to this trailhead. We're around the corner from my mom's house. Want to get a little 30-minute walk in, take Rillo on a little hike before we eat all this pizza, put all these carbs in. But Sunday's my day to eat good food. I eat what I want and spend the day doing whatever we want, not being too physical. But at the same time, I'm probably not just gonna sit in bed all day.
I know we've been staying up late every day.
Good job marking it up, buddy.
Good arms, huh? Good luck.
It's a bullshit.
All right, we made it to the top of the trail here. Got to show off the view in a second.
Don't play those fucking games, baby. Cause I get savage. I'll make you say my fucking
This your new album cover?
ass away.
When I was trying to think of those spots I could take pictures of.
That's sick. Watch out, crazy dog. Don't go running off the fucking cliff. Come on in, we made it.
Hello. Thank you. Hey, how are you? You're hilarious. Not even cold. What are you doing with that big old fur hat?
You know, everybody says that. I'm just a little chilly.
How's that? Yes.
Got fingernails now, dude.
Cheers, mate.
I asked his mom for a water. She said, here. I'm like, what the?
Good to see you.
Yeah, stop playing with me, dog. You want to roll up in here or you already got to roll up?
Roll that.
My shit, you can come in for a second too, drop that weed off over here.
Let me hit it in the morning. We'll be having sweet.
Alright, good morning. Heading out to Landau. Kat woke up bright and early. She was up at like 5 this morning, so she already was trained at the 7 a.m. session with the fighters. I'm going at the normal time at 10, so let's go get it. Alright, made it to Landau. It's about 10 a.m.
I think about you all the time, baby.
They got people getting massages in this thing?
Yeah, I didn't know that. What's up, bro? What we got going today? Bro, every time I lift, it keeps fucking my knee up.
Have you had a session where you do legs or whatever and you don't feel like your knee feels this shit?
Not if I'm squatting. Like if I'm just squatting, like back squats, that doesn't seem.
The next day,
that doesn't
you feel
seem-
fine?
Yeah, it feels fine.
Okay.
But deadlifting,
The next day?
fucked.
Okay. So something with deadlift is your body's not like it. Whether it's like however you're going. Are you doing trap bar or are you doing barbell? Yeah. Just be smart about those other exercises.
Yeah, I think that is a vibe. This would be hell of a night. I'm too drunk to drive.
Warm up.
Let's take a flight. Roll that sticky, let's get high. Yeah, I think that is a vibe. This would be hell of a night. I'm too drunk to drive. Call the Uber, take a flight. Roll that sticky, let's get high. I rode up plenty for the ride. Text my Uber, you get high. Get 3 dots, then no reply. He said I cannot answer questions. Then he hit me with a smile. I said I feel you, homie. Pick me up and let's get wild. I'm about to take this flight and fly out motherfucking night. I'm smoking on this dozer, but I'm too high to go to sleep. I'm moving in slow motion right now. I could hardly breathe. Smoke up in my eyes, and right now dying ain't for me. Yeah, I think that is a vibe. This would be hell of a night. I'm too drunk to drive. Call the Uber, take a flight. Roll that sticky, let's get high. Yeah, I think that is a vibe. This would be hell of a night. I'm too drunk to drive. Call the Uber, take a flight. Roll that sticky, let's get high. I get a text from you, haven't hit me up in a while. You just tryna catch this vibe, but I love the way you move, so I don't even mind. Think about you all the time. Remember when it was too smoky, I couldn't even drive. Riding through this little town, yeah, I'ma make you take it off. This that shit that we get high to. Better not cut my shit off. Baby, crack open that window, cause I need some air to breathe. I know you rollin' extendo when you done pass that to me. Yeah, I think that is a vibe. It's gon' be one hell of a night. Yeah. I think this a vibe. This would be hell of a night. I'm too drunk to drive. Call the Uber, take a flight. Roll that sticky, let's get high. Yeah, I think that is a vibe. This would
Alright, man, that was a good day at Landau. I'm pretty smoked. Hour-long hard training. We were doing conditioning today. Lots of sled pulls, pushes, hard cardio stuff, you know. So, about to go have my protein shake, get some good food in me, and see what I can do today.